Hey guys, it's your boy Arky, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make basic gang clothing for beginners. So first of all, you're going to need OpenIV and Photoshop. Photoshop will be in my Discord, the link will be in the description, and then the second link will be to OpenIV. Just make sure you download them too, and then yeah. This pack will be in the templates as well. So when you're here, you'll be welcomed. Come over to the subscriber verification and just subscribe and send a screenshot, and then you'll be taken to you'll have this row so you can see the temps, and then I'll post a link to the pack over here. The Photoshop's here as well, but you still need the row for that. Anyway, so in this pack we have a mask. PNG's there, but you can edit off the Photoshop. We have a skin tight, and we have a sweats. They're really basic for beginners. So for the mask, let's just open this one. Okay, when you've got it, just move that, you don't need that. So when you're here, you can just make sure you're on this tool, just click the name, and just go to T, just drag that and just change it to, I'm gonna change it to Arky. It could be a gang name, it could be anything. Make sure it's centered, so when you have see that purple line all the way down. I want to do purple and black, so I'm gonna do I want the eyes to be purple. So all you have to do is click on the purple, right click on this layer, lol copy, blending options, color overlay, and then click that, make it purple. I'm gonna make it that purple, and I'm gonna copy and paste that number so I know what color to do. And then just press OK, and then make sure in that tool again, click on that one, right click, blending options, overlay, and then it should be already done. And then I want my name to be that color as well, so we just keep repeating that, and I'll catch you up when we've changed all the colour. Right, okay guys, we have just done everything colour. I like this, simple, nice. But now if you want to make it shiny, all you have to do is scroll down, click layer 1, and then go to filter, noise, add noise, just leave it to 12.3. then it should look a bit like blurry, which is actually good. So now all you have to do is file, save as, PNG, double click this, yes, and yes. And then as you can see, it's saving. Whilst it's saving, just open OpenIV. Okay guys, when you're on, just press file, open folder, go to the desktop, open this one, my pack, go to the mask and just press select folder. Make sure editor mode is on, so press edit mode and then yes. And then where it says texture, double click on that, and then press replace, press that, open, and just wait till it loads. And when it's loaded, file save, and then boom. So then you want to press the adorable one, press add textures at the bottom right, and then click on this texture, and then boom, that's the mask that we've just made. So all you want to do guys, so we're ready for the other one as we've done that. So all you have to do is file, open, go to your skin tight, and then press on this one, and then you can move this again. So all you have to do is make sure you're in that tool again, press name, go to the text type there, just hold and drag, and then just change it to, I'm just going to change it to my name. You can change it to a gang name, doesn't matter, but I just want to do it plain and simple, so I don't want any of these sparkles, but you guys can, because it's going to come like that. So if you want, just search someone on Google, or you can buy my pack, which has like a load of PNGs and add-ons and stuff like that, and clothes. But all you have to do, all I want to do is maybe like that much. Yeah, I'm going to do that much. I'm just going to paint it purple. Make sure you're on this layer again, and then boom, I have to do that. Right, okay guys, I've painted that purple, so all I'm going to do is Control D to get them lines away. And I want this bit, I'm going to press this second tool, and I want this bit black. Hold up, that was bad. Press Control D, that'll be good enough. Okay, so paint, press X to get the other side so it goes black. All I have to do is paint. Okay guys, I've painted this. I've just missed a little bit, but that'll be alright. It'll be right. All I'm gonna do to get away from these checkered lines is Control D. That's it. That's all I want, to be honest. I wanna change the name. So click on the name, right click, blending options, color overlay. Do that. Remember, I pasted it, so just paste, boom, boom. I'm just gonna add some more noise. So press on the layer 1, select, go to the filter, noise, add noise, okay, file, save, PNG, double click on this one, yes, okay. Then once that's saving, you might as well open folder, desktop, skin type, select folder, and then you go to texture. Just leave it there. So replace, yes. So it's saved. So go to drawable, go to add texture, this one, and then boom. It's got a little bit of noise to it now, so it shouts. If you get it in game, it will sparkle. And yeah, so now we can file, open, desktop. Go to that pack, go to sweatpants, and double click on this one. Okay, so I want to do purple again, so I'm going to click on these white lines, right click, blending options, color overlay, press on that and paste my code. Press on my name, right click, actually no, my bad, my name. Go to the texture, or you can press T, so like when you're on something else, just press T, and then make sure it's like that. Change my name, Arky, thank you, yes, okay, right click, blending options, color overlay, paste it, okay. Should I add noise? I'll add noise, so filter, noise, add noise, okay. So file, save as, PNG, double click, yes, okay. Saved file, open folder, go back to the pack, sweatpants, open, it's already on edit mode, texture, replace, double click, and save. So drawable one, let's go add texture, this one, and then boom. As Arky, the lines has a little bit of noise, so in game it will sparkle, and yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and everything that you would need is in my description and Discord. So have a good one, guys.